Happy Super Bowl Sunday! I will probably be in the background somewhere watching the game, but that's a different story. That's not the best part of this whole day. It's this wonderfully circulated but yet decent-looking 1982 large date copper cent. That's going to be the main focal point of today's video. But first, like I promised, we're going to do a few shout-outs. So I have my phone here, and I'm just going to read them out. So first one goes to Common Sense Measures. Good morning, sir, or afternoon, wherever you may be. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day so far. It's Sunday, and I don't usually do videos this early. And this next shout out, yeah, I don't do videos Sunday mornings usually. So shout out to Nicole, okay? Jimmy Hats, sorry brother. I was supposed to do that on a video yesterday, but that was my ridiculously long and probably unnecessary penny hunting video. So Nicole, good morning to you. Let's see, I know I have a few here. I'm rolling through the comments, but Simon Chai, good morning, sir. You are a long-time subscriber. Yes, I have seen you around. Thank you for being a loyal patron. And of course, you guys can just fast forward through this shout-out portion of the video. Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah. Yep, and yep. I think that's it. Just a few of them this morning, but if you guys wanted to do a shout out, just let me know in the comment section of this video. As me and my assistant actually roll through and respond to everyone. Yeah, I take a tally of all of the shout out requests. But anyways, let's not dilly-dally any further. So, for those of you that are over passing by the 1982 cents, because it's it's one of those dates you either love it or hate it. Okay, you got small dates, you got large dates, Denvers, Phillies, coppers, zincs. It's a little bit daunting. It's probably, with all of the variety that's in there, and the prospect of the quote-unquote transitional copper small date 1982D floating around out there, there's a lot going on with this date. But here's a coin right here that you guys definitely need to look for, especially you guys that live on the East Coast that see a lot of the Philadelphia coins in your change, in your bank rolls. Okay, this is important. It's a tough double die. All right, 1982 large date copper. Okay, this is gonna be the bronze cent. All right, not the zinc. So it's a cherry picker's guide variety. It's extremely difficult to find. I've been looking for this thing for the better part of the last maybe 10 years or so. And your main diagnostic doubling area is In God We Trust. Take a look at these close-up photos, okay? These are fantastic close-ups, by the way. Oh, I forgot to mention, the person that found us, his name is Mighty Heaths. He's on Coin Community. Congratulations, sir. This is my personal tribute to you on this find. If you want to know more, okay, go on coincommunity.com. It's a forum site, and you go into the modern and modern coin roll hunting variety section of the website and check out these close-ups. This is about as crazy of doubling as you can find. There's an incredible amount of spread that is counterclockwise, it would appear. And yeah, In God We Trust is the main diagnostic point for this particular double die. It is FS 101, I believe. I don't have my cherry picker's guide, but there are some folks that like to separate the coppers and zinc. So this will actually make it a little bit easier for you, for those folks that you know, do that sort of thing. So take out your 82 large dates. It's really easy to discern because you have a giant 8 that's bigger than all the other numbers around it. And then the small date, of course, you would have a smaller 8. So that's pretty easy to find. But the 1982s, you probably would need an 8 times magnifier or a 10 times power to take a look at it. But all in all, this is an incredible piece right here. And in this condition, it's an easy sell between $50 and $75 raw. Okay, that's the good news. You don't need to get this thing certified by anyone. So that's a huge plus, because it is easily identifiable. It's almost like the 1972s. Okay, they're all pretty identifiable on their own without the aid of Annex and GC or PCGS giving it its blessing. But I think the favorite part on this, in terms of the spread, is "In God We." Okay, so those three words out of the whole motto, I feel like exhibits the most amount of spread. But the good news is, Trust also shows some pretty good doubling on there as well. So I'll let you guys take a look at the diagnostics word by word here. And again, congratulations to Mighty Heats. Apparently this is a coin that he's been looking for. He was about ready to give up, according to what he said on his post. But you know what? If you're determined and you have your eye on the prize, then you have no problem getting whatever you want. I would probably aim for the 1982 zinc small date double die reverse. There's probably maybe only 3 or 4 of those in existence that's ever been discovered. Yeah, don't even get me started how much those are worth. Those are somewhere in the $500 to $1,000 range, if not more, for a really nice, brilliant, uncirculated example. So what do you guys think about this variety? Pretty nice. So yes, pretty nice. So quick little update, because I have a super overabundance of Lincoln sets I'm rolling through. So I have a bunch of bank sourced rolls I'm going through. I probably won't be doing videos on that because if anything, people don't like the 30+ minute videos. Generally, especially one that, you know, like this box I just got that you guys saw. If you have an idea that they're searched, they're probably, yeah, searched. It just means I'll have to find a different bank. So yeah, so I have those, and I have the other wheat cents that I'll be going through as well. What I'll do is I'll probably end up going through them. You guys love the close-up magnification images I've been doing on the videos. So what I'll do is I'll do a corresponding video with any of the finds I do pull out of there, and just do a video with all of like repunchment marks, double dies, any sort of like neat errors that come out of this thing. I want to show you, like, the meat and potatoes of why we do this. But yeah, that'll be something I'll be focusing on this next week. Something with a little bit more substance, other than just, hey, let's go ahead and discover what we can find in this already searched box of Lincoln cents. I think I owe more to you guys than just that. So I appreciate your guys' time. You know, as always, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and yeah, just those three. The best way you can support my channel is like, share, subscribe. Okay, the like button is paramount in this whole thing. And again, if you guys want a shout out, simply go ahead and type it below in this video. Seeing as how this is the most recent video, I'm going to go through there, pull up all the names, and yeah, the next video, I will send you a kudos. So everyone enjoy the rest of your day. If you guys are going to take part in the Super Bowl, hope your team wins, whoever that is, I don't know. And as always, discovering together. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.